Hello student, have a nice day. In this section we are going to discuss about alkenes. So what are alkenes? Alkene is the aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond. General formula of alkene is CnH2n. What is the general formula of alkene? General formula of alkene is CnH2n. Example of alkene: CH2 double bond CH2, ethene. Molecular formula of ethene is C2H4. Next, alkene: CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2, propene. Molecular formula of propene is C3H6. In alkene, the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. You know that what is sp2 hybridization? 1s orbitals and 2p orbitals undergoing hybridization, and sp2 hybridized orbitals are formed. One of the p orbitals in the unhybridized, that carbon atoms laterally overlap to form of pi bonds. Okay, the structure of alkene: carbon sp2 hybridized, there are sp2 hybridized carbon orbitals, and second carbon atoms contain another sp2 hybridized orbitals. The hydrogen atoms are overlapped, so here is sp2s overlap, here also sp2s overlap. Hydrogen atoms, again hydrogen atoms are overlapped, here is sp2s overlap, here also is sp2s overlap. And one more point, unhybridized p orbitals, okay, in the carbon atoms and which contain electrons, so laterally overlapping of these p orbitals means pi bond. Laterally overlapping of these p orbitals means pi bond. So firstly, carbon carbon sigma bond, 4CH, here is 4CH sigma bond, and laterally overlapping creates the pi bond, and the bond angle is 120 degree. Because of the two hydrogen atoms are small atoms are represented, actually we expected 120 degree angle, bond angles are expected in sp2 hybridization. The bond angles is 120 degree, but the bond angles is little larger than the expected because of the pi electrons are here, so the bond angle is little enlarged.